What's up, everybody? It's been a great week for me. Not really, I've been working. How about you guys? Any plans for the weekend? I'm just gonna be chilling, maybe even riding the bike. Well, what I'm doing today, or what I plan to do, Maria is trying to do an oil change on the MT07. It's done about 10,000 Ks, so it's just run in. And yeah, this is probably gonna be a great experience since I've done an oil change on the Bandit and on the Evo, but this is just too precious, I think. I just don't want to break it, you know? I have the manual and I have friends that have done this on an MT07 as well, so they can give me a few tips. They've already done that, so Reese, shout out to you. And yeah, so this is not a how-to because I wouldn't trust you guys to follow my instructions because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. So can you not do your lawns right now? I've been waiting like 3 hours for them to shut up. Anyways, I'm gonna get started. First thing I'm gonna do is loosen up the oil filter and the sump bolt as well, and I'll just get started on that. Also, quick note, it is so handy and nice to just have an owner's manual. It's just so nice to have because it has all the details that I need, and I didn't have anything like that before on the Bandit. I have the same thing on the Evo, but the manual is in Japanese, so I don't even know what's up with that. I am going to actually let this run to get to temps because I need the oil to be a little tiny bit warm so that we can get the most out of the system. So I'm going to do that and see how that goes. Did an oopsie. If you saw in that slow-mo video, I kind of just panicked to open this because I didn't open it, so where was it going to drain? Obviously I've never had anything as fancy as this drain bottle thing. I've just had an oil pan, a simple oil pan, but the oil pan that I'm used to doesn't fit under this bloody sump. So I've made a mess everywhere. It started bubbling and doing all this weird stuff. God damn it. I need to clean that shit up. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that to drain. I don't know how long I'll wait, maybe like half an hour or something. And I'll get back to putting the oil back in. It's pretty much drained. I'm gonna put the filter on and I don't have a torque wrench, and also this filter doesn't have the bolt like this one does. So I'm just going to use the tight is tight but not too tight method, because if it's too tight it's going to be broke. It'll break. Did I say that right? I don't think I did. Tight is tight but too tight is broke. That's what I meant to say. So I'm going to put that on. And yes, I do know to put a little bit of oil on the new filter so that it doesn't ruin it when you put it on. And then it's time to start filling her up with some new oil. Alright, a lot of people with this, they replace it, but I kind of forgot to buy a new washer, squash washer, whatever it's called. So I already flipped it, so I'm just going to flip it around and reuse it, and on the next time that I do the oil change I will have to replace that washer. It is recommended that you do it every time, but I'm just going to reuse it this one time. It should be okay. I gotta keep filling up and leaning the bike over so it's not on the sand, so it's level, because at the moment it looks like it's at the fill line, but once you stand it up it's well below minimum, so I gotta keep going. So that was a good day's well spent with doing an oil change. I figured since it's Valentine's Day soon, I better treat my motorbike like a good bae and give her an oil change. And the owner didn't update any of the services since it was at 4,000 Ks. I think it's at 10,000 now, so that's a little bit concerning. Might as well treat her right. And I will update this. Anyways, I had a good time. It was a good learning experience on it's pretty much a brand new bike for me, because I've never had anything as newer than 2015. Actually, 2008 is the newest vehicle I've ever owned in my life, so it's good to learn about new vehicles and how they're all designed. So yeah, it was a pretty good learning thing. Now I'm exhausted, it's hot, I'm gonna have some ice cream. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Did I say that right? I don't think I did. Tight is tight, but too tight is broke. That's what I meant to say.